Okay, so you are going to be going ahead and doing an analysis of your analysis for each and every one of your analysis. So your sentences, of course, will be in the last column. Here's what I have here for an analysis. So the topic sentence is about that Mrs. Peacock uses similes and metaphors to develop the theme of absence of love. So my proof is, an example of this is when Peacock writes, she stared at him directly in the eyes, and it was like looking into an empty black abyss. All right, so here's the analysis. When the author uses a simile, so I underline simile because I know from over here, oops, sorry, where is it? I know from here, number 1 is the name of the device. So I have the name of the device. So I go ahead and I'm going to underline it. So I highlight it. I click on the underline button. And then I'm going to make a comment. So over here we'll say add comment. If this does not show up for you, you click over here to open your comment history. So once you have, so you click on, you click, hold, and drag over to highlight text. It will open up a comment section. You click on that, one left click, however you do it, and this is number 1, device. Number 2 says what the device does. So I highlight it, click it. That's number 2, what the device does. And again, where do I get what the 1, 2, and 3 is? It's in today's announcement. It's right in the directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you are going to go through and make sure you have all 7 components. You're going to label them all, highlight and then label. So I should be able to see what is the 1, the 2, etc. You will be able to notice then right away if there's anything that you are missing. For example, here, lacks any emotions or feelings, that is an inference. This is the inference that relates directly to the theme of lack of love or humanity, which is also the absence of love, right? So the inference, what number is an inference? It is number 6. So I make sure that I label that number 6. And then at the end, what I'd like people to add that weren't in the original directions, because so many people, they are not tying this all has to be interconnected. The simile, the names of the text, the numbers, the name directly from the text, the words from the text that directly relate to the and help build the theme. So I'm going to make sure that I highlight where the theme is. The theme's at the very end, and it's number 7. This is where I state the theme. Also of great importance is making sure that you include the words, and only 1 or 2 words, not the whole entire quote. You do not need to restate the entire quote. Which keywords from the text, so this is exactly what we did at the beginning of the year, which keywords from the text help relate to the connotation and to the theme. So that would be then, the words from the text are number 3. Number 3 are the words from the text. So you would say those words from the text are number 3. Only keywords from the text. That's how you underline and then add comments to your text, to your document, sorry.